Shubor na Snem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke National People's Party ke Angnud ban Thaw ya ke history ke barim harilom Jaiñtia Kumba Thaw ke United Democratic Party haus Snem khat khandai spa khandai pupra da ke Punjab ya baro nyongut ki kertong na ki nyotuli ki constituency ke rilom Jaiñtia ya ke jing thrang jing Angnud ki he nong yalam ki penpau ha bakren ke jing elang general meeting jong ke seng NPP Banyalap election yang kertong jong ke NPP na West Jaiñtia but East Jaiñtia Hills kabalawan ban sakhi de ki hajar ngut ki pai nong kershan na ki constituency bapher kabalalong hamadan Jerusalem minta kasngi haga jingelang lawan ban sakhi da national president jong ke NPP u Konrad Kongkel Sangma u vice president u ba Preston Tinsong ke Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo ki kertong jong ke NPP na ki nyotuli ki constituency ke rilom Jaiñtia but ki nongkit kam ke NPP na ki district ki unit but ki circle bapher shwa ke jingelang u national president ke NPP harengkat ki he nongelam jong ke seng NPP kila ya nado police point shadow madan Jerusalem but ki spangut ki nong kershan jong ke NPP ki bara lang ya ki lama u Konrad Sangma habakren hagani kasngi ula ban biang ba ke NPP kan yo biang ban sensyar ha ke sarkar jilla baru la ong shushu bakino kino ki kampen roy ki dei ne ka benta ke jilla dei ne ka benta ki nongmi khmat lane ke jing mentoy jongno re jongno
and tell us how to rule West Bengal. If Mamata Banerjee had said that about BJP and other national parties in West Bengal, then the same principle and the same analogy applies in Meghalaya for them. Because if BJP and other national parties, according to Madam Mamata Banerjee, are outside parties in West Bengal, well then TMC is an outside party in Meghalaya. We have our own political party. We know how to take care of ourselves. We have respect for Madam Mamata Banerjee because she respected our leader, late P.S. Sangma. But elections are different. We know how to take care of ourselves. Today, people of Meghalaya will reject the TMC. I am confident that TMC will not be even able to get 2 to 3 seats in our state with great difficulty. Great difficulty. No matter how much they say in their different election speeches, when the results come out on the 2nd of March, if the results come out on 2nd, when they get on 2nd results, they will only get 2 seats. You watch that day. That is what will happen to TMC and that is their fate. I was in Tikrekila for the last 2 days, campaigning there. And people of Tikrekila told me that when Dr. Mukul comes to campaign here, we will ask him that, sir, you were in Ampati. People of Ampati voted for you 5 times. They trusted you. But then you contested in Somsa. You left the people of Ampati and you broke their trust. You went to the people of Somsak and told them that I will change Somsak. I will develop Somsak put your trust and put your faith in me. And now within one term, and after not being able to do anything for the people of Somsa, today you're coming to Tikrikila. And now you're telling the people of Tikrikila, I will change Tikrikila. Well, what if tomorrow people of Tikrikila vote for you? What is the guarantee that you will stay with us in Tikrikila? And what is the guarantee that the way you have left Ampati, the way you live in Somsa, that you will not leave Tikrikila? So if you want us to vote for you, please sign an agreement. Sign an agreement where most probably you will not win even one, but even if by any chance you win both, then you will resign from Somsak and you will stay with Tikrikila. Till you don't sign an agreement, Tikrikila people will not vote for you. This is what people of Tikrikila today are saying. And therefore, when the leader himself is not in good wicket, is confused, is having a tough time in both the constituencies he's contesting, you can well imagine what is the status of the other candidates of the TMC in Garo Hills. And this is a story throughout the state. So therefore, friends, Jowai is no other story. It's the same story. TMC will not be able to get double digits. They will be below 5 seats. People of Jowai should not waste their votes and cast their vote unnecessarily for a party that will not be able to do anything for them in the future. You have to decide. The people of Jowai will have to decide what they want to do. You have seen the performance of Mawaila. You have seen his commitment, his hard work, his love for the people. He is a person with passion to change Jowai and Jaiñtia. He desires to do much more than what he has done in the last 5 years. Jowai is changing. It's moving forward. So many areas which were left behind, Mawaila has taken those things forward. And I'm going to show you that as we move towards 2023, and when we form the government again, when the results come out in March 2nd, let me assure you that we will work with Mawaila to ensure that we take Jowai to greater heights. This assurance we want to give to each and every citizen of Jowai town. It was in 1972 that HPHNC, the then first government led by Captain Williamson Zamba, had got a full majority to form a full stable government. After 50 years after the Golden Jubilee, I am confident that history will repeat. And we will be able to this time once again form a single party government in the state of Angnud. I can assure you that we will get 15 plus seats from Garo Hills and we will get 15 plus seats from Kasi Jaiñtia Hills. And therefore we will cross the 30 mark for sure. With this confidence, I urge all of you, let us not rest. The next 20 days is very crucial for us. And let us work hard and dedicatedly for each of our candidates to ensure that we are able to come out victorious in this election, where the results will come out on the 2nd of March.
Kiwan gitu ke association, nakalian kinong hika school SSA, kidu tulok hadu sabna, nado al-hajar kanyaw posisya mukul. Gisinti mengi sorkar hunay March, pilaban mergur, tang hapo al-posri, Mira pelai yang kepisah ketulok jom ki SSA school teachers. Kono ngikai bae jom SSA nak naik don nupen jom pergi mana nane. Nei bo presto nuken thok nuken sibor. Bila mat yang cikgu hapo jom kecing dalam jom ni. Nanda baan ngane thok ke pi. Hak tu kapor pindayo aro wan yang tanga biong kamate ni dili. Kinong hingay kutay mapri niyok machichuti hak kapor baki pun kika. Hari ngopi kapor jongi ngilale iya kata. Nakalebon department ngabat mana isu yang notification. Baki tu kinong hingay SSA. Kidai baliyo ia kata mata dipilih. Kacing kau yang lo. Kau kino ikai bae cok SSA ngai piapun hamne po Jaiñtia brokawai. Plalan se ia dengan kamu. Kerelan se siwai ba ia dengan kamu. Data education kayak komisi kerai ba araisan. Berkata lo mengikut lo yang education commission kaban pek benia nadong syadong ya kacing bit kecing biang jong ka education sector jongi hak ke jela bagi jongi naka sucu mencet Snem kinong ikai biong ka program biong ke sese kibang ke shopline nomor nanti
nanti ketemu tu.
Kayak kebajian, UCM baru prestun kot ye. Misal yang kata problem, withdraw yang kata strike itu. Hato pikir nomo election bentar. Kata kena kita hijau. Kini Kumba kita sang gini oleh. Hato pikir nomo. Nak kata nama kot ngawe, ya bi iway pa iway. Ha kane kano pais ni, nginami nak kane kalumpo, tang kawe kasur, baca kalong, bahapo Jaiñtia terus berokaway, dongnya ai, baru anyau terikasi, baka NPP kat sensyar, baca kicing mentoy baru. Atolai kedua kopra nginang bentuk susu syah kane kari Jaiñtia jopi balak kowe.